Om Namo Narayanaya. Vaikunta's representation on earth. Padmanabha Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram. In Vaikunta, Vishnu is laying on Vasuki in the Milk Ocean. Goddess Mahalakshmi near him. In Padmanabha Swami Temple, the same model of laying idol is installed. This temple is surrounded by Killi River water. Western side of this temple existing Arabian Sea. It is believed that Bewalt, Bharatagon Nilavara, has certain connections with the sea. The ornamental gateway of temple was constructed by Aditya Varma on AD 1566 by Kerala and Tamil Nadu Vastu technique. At the time of Martanda Varma, Travancore kingdom extended from Thovala to Kavanar. Desingad, Tekkangur and Vadakkangur were unified with the Tiruvidankod by Martanda Varma. Then this country is known as Tiruvidankor or Travancore. 108 existing important Vishnu temples, it is one among them. This ancient temple, AD 861, conflagrated. After the conflagration, Aniran Tirunal Martanda Varma constructed 5 floors. 6th and 7th floors constructed by Dharmaraja. Soyadana's time and Chitradana's time also so many construction works happened in this temple. 4 vaults. A vault, Bandaravaga Nilavara. B vault, Bharatagon Nilavara. C vault, Vyasagon Nilavara. D vault, Nityadigon Nilavara. Knowingly and clearly self-defiant holy persons using Nagabhasha mantra, chanting Mahagaruda mantra can open the B vault or Bharatagon Nilavara. Padmanabha Swami temples, idol made using 12,008 salagramas, 18 feet length by Kadu Sharkara Yoga. Below indicated items are mixed in the paste of Kadu Sharkara Yoga. Soil from crab's pit and soil from ant's mold, marshy ground, mountain slope, plain place, seashore and river bank. Above these places, collected soil and sand, Veda trees wood, Terminalio cebula, Tripoli, Trifala, Chuk, dry ginger, pepper, Kurumulam, Nalpamaram, Ayurvedic medicine, extra are mixed, thus made decoctions. Different type of oils, medicinal elementary substances, grains, flowers, different type of gums, mixed with the sandalwood, musk, camphor, saffron, etc. Mixed thus made powders, churnas. All above indicated items, firstly wanted make them dry, then grind these items. Mix with the above indicated items powders, thus Kadu Sharkara Yogam paste is making. This temple is constructed on 7 acres of land. This temple's renovation after conflagration happened. Renovation happened with the service of 10,000 Vishwakarmas, masons and carpenters, and 100 elephants built at Ottakal Mandapa, built in one big stone, and Iron Kal Mandapa, built in 1,000 stones. This temple is very ancient one. This temple's information indicated in Mahabharata, Padma Purana, and Brahma Purana extra. This temple's important celebrations are Swargavadil Ekadashi, Alpashi, and Painguni extra. Murajavam also one of the special celebrations of this temple. Last ruler of Travancore and Padmanabha Dasa was Sri Chitra Tirunal Balarama Varma. He ruled the Travancore kingdom for 18 years. He became Raja Pramukh for 7 years of Tirukochi state. Padmanabha Dasa post continues this time. So many pilgrims are comes from different corners of India and the world. Admission to this temple is restricted to the Hindus only. March 21 and September 23. Sunset we can see through the middle halls of the main Gopura. This is a fantastic sight. If Kashmir is a precious crown of India, Travancore is a precious anglet of India. Gold coins of Arabia, Roman gold coins, Chinese gold coins, so many precious ornaments, precious gems attached crowns, precious gems attached so many ornaments extra. Whatever ornaments and coins are get from walls are about 1 lakh crores of rupees. Historical value of these items are either 10 times, 20 times or more. Only ornament and gem related business persons can estimate correct cost. Praying to Lord Vishnu, I stops.